Hello students, let us proceed from where we stopped yesterday. Yesterday you learned how to solve equations with one variable. However, in this lesson you'll be able to solve equations with the same two variables. So these are unknown numbers. So down here, there are the same three things that you should keep in your mind. So the first one, equation shows two quantities that are equal to each other. The second one, the left hand side should balance the right hand side. And the third one, what is done to one side of the equation must also be done to the other. So here we have example. Example says solve 4c is equal to 3c plus 4. So if you can check, we have two c's there. One on the left hand side and the second one on the right hand side. So these are the same variables. So how are we going to find the value of these two same variables? So here, you shouldn't be confused. The issue is to find the value of c. All those are the same. So you should not get confused with these two c's. Okay, let us just find the value of c because these two variables are just the same. Now let us focus on the solution. 4c is equal to 3c plus 4. So what we should do here, we need to move 3c from right hand side to the left hand side. So we are going to use the inverse operation. Since 3c has a positive sign, so we are going to use its inverse operation, which is negative. So we are going to subtract 3c from both sides. In the second step, you are going to say 4c minus 3c is equal to 3c minus 3c plus 4. So 3c minus 3c, the answer is 0, so we are remaining with 4. And the other side, 4c minus 3c, the answer is c. Therefore, c is equal to 4. So for you to verify whether this answer is correct or not, you can just substitute 4 for c in our original equation in that particular question. Now here we have example 2. Example says solve 6c plus 8 is equal to 7c. Just like the first one, we have two variables that are the same, c, one in left hand side and the second one in right hand side. So the issue is to find the value of c in this equation. So here we have a solution. Now we are saying 6c plus 8 is equal to 7c. Now here we are going to move 6c. 6c should be removed from left hand side to the right hand side. So 6c has a positive sign. That means we are going to use its inverse operation, which is negative 6c. Okay, so we are going to subtract 6c from both sides. So the second step, 6c minus 6c plus 8 is equal to 7c minus 6c. So 6c minus 6c, the answer is 0. So we are remaining with 8. And then the other side, 7c minus 6c, the answer is c. Therefore, c is equal to 8 in that particular equation. So for you to verify, you can just substitute 8 for c in that equation. You see that the left hand side will balance the right hand side. So that is the end of the